So there's an entire industry, an enormous industry that exists to aggregate geolocation and online activity data for people all around the world, and then sell it to advertisers who use that to build composite profiles of people that they might want to sell widgets to, right? And they decide who's the most likely buyer of a widget and when in their day are they most likely to buy a widget, and they can target them an ad. That's really, really valuable information. So there's an enormous sort of shadowy industry that exists to aggregate and sell that data.
Yeah. And what about tell us a little bit when you first told me about your company a long time ago, I remember that you gave this really interesting explanation about how every time a phone call needs to be connected, that there's basically a lookup that happens. And a lot of the information in that lookup is public. Can you kind of explain how that infrastructure works now for traditional carriers?
Right. So when I talk about SS7 and diameter, that's what I'm talking about. In order to connect calls globally, or in order to pass roamers around the world, um, the carriers need a way to communicate with each other sort of out of band about where is a given subscriber and where is the subscriber going. And there's the lookup example I gave you about connecting a call. There's a really good example we've been using recently